battery demand is growing exponentially. The race is on, and the winners will be those who steer a better line and navigate the challenges of extreme demand and cost pressure. Surprisingly, many of today's battery producers still rely on traditional linear manufacturing. The result? Even minor disruptions have an outsized impact on overall equipment effectiveness. The solution is as simple as it is sophisticated. In short, the production line evolves into a production network, a flexible web of interlinked processing stations, all joined by our intelligent transport systems, enabling perfectly orchestrated cycle times and more effective utilization. What that means for you? Robust productivity, unfazed by a faulty station. Fewer stations, and a smaller footprint. Capacity grows by leaps and bounds. Are you ready to accelerate your return on investment? Explore your solution with our team of experts, even as a simulation. Let's talk batteries.